13 Minimalist Kitchens to inspire your next renovation. Clean lines and warm accents define this minimalist cooking space by mosaic design and remodeling. Gray quartz countertops and a rectilinear white tile backsplash add serenity. Cabinets and accents in dark walnut lend a hand-hewn feel to the kitchen. Fixtures and furniture like the hand-blown smoked glass lighting and tulip-style dining set give the room some mid-century flair that feels both fresh and modern. In some spaces, the trick for creating a neat and tidy kitchen is tons of storage. Here it takes the form of contemporary, flat-front cabinetry. Minimalist cooking spaces are all about making less feel like more, according to interior designer Fiona Leonard. Her version of the aesthetic is all about keeping surfaces free of extraneous stuff by giving kitchen tools and countertop appliances a specific place inside cabinets. She also finds that having a white kitchen with a few simple pops of color and natural textures creates the illusion of calm. A few years ago, Lauren Mochizuki, a nurse and decor blogger who pens Casa Mochi, designed her own kitchen. A few of her smart ideas include a spacious pantry and a large kitchen island. Both eliminated the need for upper cabinets, giving her space minimalist appeal. Experts say the best kitchens are suited to the homeowner's taste. Lauren quenched her thirst for style with an eye-popping backsplash. The black grout turned the white triangle tiles into a graphic statement. When renovating this minimalist kitchen, interior designer Justin Christen kept clean lines top of mind. To keep things visually pleasing, he combined a playful mix of visual textures and durable materials. The kitchen walls are lined with white subway tile with contrasting gray grout. Calacatta marble countertops lend natural pattern. Accenting the stunning navy blue cabinetry is antique brass hardware from the Modernist era. Grounding the modern space is warm, wood flooring. The clients wanted a minimalist kitchen, which meant lots of storage space for concealing clutter, says Aliceberg Parker Architects. At the end of the kitchen island, not shown in the photo, there is a large pantry for small appliances and platters. A super white quartz backsplash paired with Calacatta marble countertops creates a clean surround that does not overwhelm. The darker oak cabinets on the perimeter and island provide a pop of natural texture. You can undoubtedly combine moody colors, natural textures, and dramatic patterns into a pared-down kitchen, as shown in this gorgeous cooking space by James Judge. The backsplash toes the line between minimalism and maximalism. But what keeps the striking black tiles from feeling visually overwhelming is the large pantry cabinet on the left side of the range. It eliminates the need for upper cabinets on the far left wall, which keeps the space feeling uncluttered. Natural wood accents epitomize the minimalist vibe, and the material takes the visual heft off the dark kitchen features. Another reason so many people love minimalist kitchens is that the design aesthetic packs enduring style. This luxurious example by interior design firm Brito Charette illustrates the point. Stainless steel features combined with high-end marble add both beauty and function to the food prep areas. Along the back wall, glossy black fronts conceal cabinetry and the refrigerator, creating a seamless appearance. A stunning wine fridge with teak shelving is a spectacular sight that would make any wine aficionado drool. Stone tile floors can get pretty chilly in winter. Here, radiant heating solves the problem by keeping bare feet warm no matter the season. Anna, the do-it-yourself blogger behind Anya Home, decided to ditch the upper cabinets in her small kitchen to make room for a tea nook. The result is a minimalist cooking space that does not skimp on style or customized function. She says her idea is a great way to create a clutter-free, simplified look while still having room to display a collection of cute kitchen-related accessories. One more tip worth sharing, in small spaces like this one, is it important to have a simple color scheme to keep things feeling minimal. Anna stuck to a black and white palette with a few natural wood accents. This all-white kitchen with matte, flat front cabinets is a minimal masterpiece by interior design firm Luca Lanzetta. Cooking spaces like this one create a fresh canvas for cooking meals at home by keeping appliances and kitchen gadgets out of sight. Note the two rectangular-shaped cabinets on the kitchen island. They are handy dish drawers. Interior designer Carrie Long outfitted this minimalist kitchen. Shaker-inspired cabinetry, white quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances create a sleek finish with a modern vibe. Further elevating the space is the built-in dining table designed for both casual meals and formal dinners. 2 words sum up this spectacular cooking space by Amy Kartheiser: open and airy. While the all-white kitchen is rooted in minimalism, it also feels traditional because of a few key features, most notably the high-end kitchen range and Carrara marble backsplash. Gold hardware and black pendant lighting punctuate the white space. Dark or moody colors totally work in minimalist spaces. Helen green design combined woodsy yet modern cabinetry with brown and black granite to create a warm and contemporary kitchen fit for a bachelor. Pops of red lends a playful touch that feels 100% grown up. Tandem Contracting designed this neat and tidy kitchen to fit the needs of their client. The goal was to maximize square footage for practical use, a key feature of minimalist kitchens. The 2 counters in the foreground provide plenty of room for both food prep and cleaning up. Toward the back by the range is the main cooking space with plenty of room for chopping and stirring. Lots of cabinetry means only small appliances use daily take-up counter space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.